How to fix yellow tint screen in Windows. The night light feature in Windows adjusts the color temperature of your screen to reduce blue light during the evening hours, which can cause a yellowish or warmer hue. Turning it off will revert the screen to its regular color settings. Calibrating the display color ensures that the colors on your screen are accurate and representative of their true hues. The built-in Windows color calibration tool guides you through adjustments for optimum color accuracy. Outdated or corrupted graphics card drivers can affect the color output on your screen. Updating them ensures you're using the latest, most compatible version for your hardware. A corrupted color profile can lead to display discoloration. Resetting to the default profile can help. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.